In this video, I have a 2007 Kia Sportage, and I'm going to show you how to open up the hood. On the driver's side of the door, there is a hood release lever on the left side beneath the steering wheel. You'll see that there's a picture of a car with a hood open. You're going to go ahead and pull that lever towards you, and you'll hear a pop. This is a cable release. Now you'll notice that there's a gap right here. You're going to reach your hand directly on the inside about this far, and you're going to feel a lever on the top. You're going to go ahead and lift your fingers up like this, and that's going to release the hood. I'll show you what it looks like now. You're going to go ahead and push this lever upward. That releases the hook, which then releases the tension. So I'm going to go ahead and lift this up and put the support bar up as well. Hood support bar goes right there. And now your hood is open. Hope that video was helpful for you. It's a 2007 Kia Sportage. Thanks for watching.